Hello everyone, my name is Kashif Khan. I am, I wear a couple of hats. I am co-chair of CNCF Tech Infrastructure. I'm also working as an open source architect in Ericsson Software Technology. But today I am here as one of the maintainers of the project metalcube.io, and I'll be sharing updates of the project. The synonym for me for this project is managing bare metal the Kubernetes way, and this is part of our ongoing journey to make bare metal infrastructure feel as native and automated as any cloud environment. So the biggest news since last KubeCon in London is that MetalCube is now an official CNCF incubating project. That's a major milestone for the project, recognizing the project's maturity, growth, stability, and the trust from the cloud-native ecosystem. A huge thanks to all the contributors, adapters, and community members who have actually made this achievement possible. This truly belongs to all of you. So those of you who aren't aware what MetalCube does, it actually, if you have a bunch of bare metals and if you want to deploy a Kubernetes cluster, MetalCube actually brings Kubernetes-style lifecycle management to bare metal servers. And this is how actually you can just represent your bare metal server using a YAML, and there is a controller which actually reconciles this YAML. You have to just provide information like your basebone management controller or BMC controllers, like BMC's address and BMC secret, and then the MAC address, and that's it. MetalCube can make or deploy Kubernetes cluster on top of it, and it also has integration or provider for the cluster API. These are the main components of MetalCube. So bare metal operator is the controller that handles the provisioning and deprovisioning of the hosts. We have, as I said, cluster API provider MetalCube, which connects cluster API with the BMO. We have a static IP address manager, and we also have Ironic, which is the underlying engine for low-level provisioning. Some community updates. As you can see, we have amazing community engagements, thousands of commits, and a steady growth across our repositories. And it also shows how important bare metal automation has become in the cloud-native ecosystem. As you can see, the adapters are big companies like Ericsson, Red Hat, SUSE, Fujitsu, Mirantis, and then there are also projects like Airship and Silva who have adopted MetalCube in production. For some recent highlights, we are working on, and we have already started releasing the support for the V1 Beta 2 API. So there are new API revisions for cluster API provider MetalCube, BMO, and IPAM. We have also worked towards making IPAM as a cluster API IPAM provider, which improves the network address management, of course. We have added Ironic read-only root file system support, NIC firmware updates. And then one of the simplification that we have also added is to simplify the deployment of Ironic through Ironic standalone operator. When it comes to the roadmap, we are looking towards multi-tenancy support, improve the DHCP-less provisioning, adding physical switch management, and adding also more configuration when it comes to automated disk cleaning. So come talk to us in Kiosk 10B, which is on Tuesday, 11th of November. We will be there in the afternoon session. There are multiple ways to contribute. We are thriving on the community contributions. So it can be code, docs, or then I have 2 QR codes. The right one is for the good first issues, all help wanted issues that we have in MetalCube project. And then on the left side, you will find all the ways to reach us through the social media. So those are the QR codes that if you want to join, please actually take a note of those links. And yeah, that's it. Join us to shape the future of bare metal Kubernetes. If you are interested in bare metal or in making bare metal cloud native, MetalCube is the place to be. Thanks a lot.